Welcome back, students. Happy Holi. Uh, Today we will start algebra and the basic concepts. Algebra chapters will be covered in say 9 to 10 classes. Today we are starting with the basic concepts, and this class is very vital for class 6, class 7, class 8 students. So be very cautious and be very careful to listen to all the statements I give here. Okay. First of all, you have learned about this term, algebraic expression. What is this? This is expression, means if you are to express something, how can you express it algebraically? Say, you are saying 5 more than a number. Now, a number is normally a number or any variable is normally considered as x. Somebody can consider y, somebody can consider z, no issue. These all are variables, you know it. And 25, 500, these are constants, right? Constants. X, y, z are variables. So a number more than 5 more than a number. So if you consider the number as x, 5 more than that is x plus 5. This is an algebraic expression. 5 more than a number. Okay. Another important word is equation. You may not have heard it in class 6, but in class 7 you have to learn what is equation. Equation means if you say 5 more than a certain number is 30, so that x plus 5 is the expression 5 more than a number, and if it is 30, then x plus 5 equals to 30 becomes the equation, algebraic equation. Clear? This is the expression, this is the equation. So you have understood the difference between expression and equation. These terms are more or less similar, used in similar manner, but are not equal. So this equal sign is significant. Equation means to equate. There must be an equal sign to become it an equation. Clear? One more thing you have to learn here is this x plus 5, the expression has two terms, x and 5. Okay? So, expression can be classified according to number of terms. According to number of terms. When you say simply x, this is called monomial. Right? That is one term. The expression has only one term. It is called monomial. Okay? But expressions which have more than one terms are called polynomials. Polynomials, right? Monomial and polynomial. Here n equals to 1. What is n? Number of terms. Here n is greater than 1. So polynomial can be again named as binomial, that is n equals to 2, trinomial, n equals to 3, and so on. In general term, it is polynomial, monomial, n equals to 1, or polynomial, n greater than 1. Okay, this is one way of classifying expressions, algebraic expressions. Got it? Another way of classifying expressions is with number of variables. Number of variables. Just I said x, y, z, w. There may be several variables. Now, if an expression consists of only one variable, okay, it is polynomial with one variable. Polynomial with more than one variable is like 3x plus 4y. X is a variable, y is another variable. So this is polynomial, this is monomial actually, this is only one term. Monomial with one variable, this is polynomial with two variables. Clear? These are the concepts. You must have the concept that we can use more than one variables in an expression, or an expression can have only one variable. Another interesting thing is that even you have a single variable in an expression, there may be terms having different powers. What is power? Power means x. X into x equals to x square. This power is 2. Got it? X into x into x. X cube. This is power 3. Okay? So here the power is 1. This is called linear. This is called quadratic. X cube, this is called cubic. So if there is an expression like 3x, this is a linear expression. Got it? Expression. If it is 5x square, this is quadratic expression. If this is suppose 8y cube, this is cubic expression. Now tell me, what is the power of this expression? 8y cube plus 8y square plus 8y. So you have y with power 1, y with power 2, y with power 3. What is the power or degree of this expression? Anybody? You must focus on the highest power. You must focus on the highest power, and the power of the highest degree is the degree of the expression. Here y cube is the highest power, more than y square or y. So this is a cubic expression. This is a cubic expression. Got it? Linear, quadratic, cubic, and so on. Okay. This is another concept. You must have it clear in your mind that expressions can be classified according to number of terms, according to number of variables, according to the degree of the variable or the power of the variable. Okay. So this is the basic concept. Another concept is the concept of coefficient. Concept of coefficient. What is coefficient? Coefficient is the number attached to the variable. Coefficient is the number attached to the variable. So here 3 is the coefficient of x. Here 5 is the coefficient of x square. 8 is the coefficient of y cube. Okay. If it is written as minus 5xy, let us make it clear. A confusion can arise in case of minus 5xy. Find out the coefficient. If the question is find out the coefficient, the question is not clear. You have to find out the coefficient of whom or what? Coefficient of y. If you are asked to find coefficient of y, the answer is minus 5x. Clear? But if you are asked coefficient of x, it is the resultant excluding x, so it becomes minus 5y. The resultant excluding that particular member for which you are seeking the coefficient. And if you are asked to find out the coefficient of xy, very clear, minus 5. Okay. So this is the concept of coefficient. You must make it very clear in your mind that coefficient always is attached with the question for which you are seeking the coefficient. Okay. So these are the basics of algebra. We can start algebra knowing these things very clearly. We can go for the operations of various expressions. In class 6, you have learned about additions, subtractions. In class 7 onwards, you will learn multiplication and division. So one thing is very clear to you that we can add or subtract equal terms. Equal term means 5x can be added to 2x, resulting 7x. But 5x cannot be added to 2y. You cannot get a single term adding 5x plus 2y. You can only add the similar terms, 5x plus 2x. If it was 5x minus 2x, again this is 3x. So here 5 is the coefficient of x, here minus 2 is the coefficient of x. And you are to add 5 and minus 2. Adding minus 2 means subtracting 2. Okay, I think this concept is clear to you. Minus concept, very vital concept in algebra. Very vital concept in the sense 5 plus minus 2 is nothing but 5 minus 2. you have learned about number line. I am jumping over it. Number line is what? This is 0, this is plus 1, this is plus 2, this is plus 3, this is plus 4, so on. And this is minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3, this is minus 4. So this is the plus side, this is the minus side. Once you move rightward, it means plus. So suppose plus 4 minus 2. How to show it in number line? You first go, this is plus 4, you first go 4 steps right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Reach here. Then minus 2. So you have to come back, you have to return in the leftward direction. How much? 2 steps. Okay, 1, 2. You are coming back to 2. So you are now standing at this position. The result is plus 2. Clear? This is how an addition or subtraction is represented in a number line. Number line. Number line will help you to check your answer. Check your answer. Okay? So, you have learned about addition and subtraction in your class 6 chapters. We can just take some examples as a rehearsal. Say 4x plus 5y plus 3x minus 6y plus 9x plus 7y. Calculate very fast. Pause the video, do it yourself, and then check my solution. 4x is plus 4x. If no symbol is given beforehand, it is assumed plus. Plus 3x plus 9x. So like terms are 4x, 3x and 9x. Okay. Keep it in a bracket. 4x plus 3x plus 9x. Again, the second bracket is a bracket of y's. Plus 5y minus 6y plus 7y. Now what to do? All are equal signs, all are plus. You can add them up. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 9, 16x. Here 5 is plus, 7 is plus. Plus signs are added, minus signs are subtracted. Okay, 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. So result is 6y plus 6y. This is a very simple problem. You know how to solve it. And this is the total of addition or subtraction. But one thing you must keep in mind is the signs. These signs are very harmful or very useful in case of opening these brackets, unfolding the brackets. How? Why is harmful? Very simple problem. Do it. You can do it. Just unfolding the bracket. 2x. Now the symbol is considered plus, as no symbol is given. The whole thing is within the bracket. You haven't yet opened the bracket. Now once you open the bracket, this minus plus outside the bracket is in product form, is multiplied form. You can assume this as plus of minus 1. Plus of minus 1 is there. So keep the plus here and get the minus 1 inside the bracket. Minus 1 plus 3x. So minus plus means minus, and 1 when multiplied keeps it same. So minus 3x minus 1 plus 7y is minus plus minus 7y, and minus minus. Okay. Again, as plus, no change in signs. You just open it. Like this. So 2x minus 3x plus 2 minus 3. Number line. 0 plus 1 plus 2. Coming back. 1, 2, 3. It reaches to minus 1. So it becomes minus x. Clear? And the rest is unchanged. Minus 7y plus 5z. This is your answer. So what you are considering or understanding is that the concept of opening brackets. When you are opening brackets, you must be very careful that symbols should be taken properly. Plus into plus is plus. Plus into minus is minus. Minus into plus is minus. Minus into minus is plus. You have this concept. Be very careful about these concepts while applying in simplifications or in opening brackets. So this is all for today's class. We will start with multiplication of algebraic expressions in the next class. Thank you.